Hello and welcome back to another Black History Month moment. It's Tuesday, February the 22nd, Wisdom, 2022. Peace, family. Let's continue to talk about unity, family, oneness. I'm Tanya with the Black Rose Nation, Holistic Sunshine Management. So family, unity, and oneness. Strong words, important ones. It suggests a bond, a closeness, a tightness, holding one another up, one might say building, foundation. Well, in order to build anything, we need strong foundations. They're crucial. So who I am then becomes even more important, especially under this racial construct that we live in. Hey, New Brunswick. So who I am is to know and to live out one's history, to practice it, the culture. But first we need to understand what is culture. What is the human experience of the people? The astronomy, the geometry, the literature, math, the medicines used, the ethics of the people that governed how they lived, how things were done, the architecture and art, their diet, how they ate, music, place of birth, language spoken, shared characteristics, behaviors, social patterns, their nationality, race, gender. There's many things here. So rootedness, groundedness, who am I, becomes even more crucial. What does it mean to be grounded? To be rooted in something, to belong to it, to be part of it, to help it grow. What is needed to help it grow? What's the nutrient cycle? What I eat, how I'm planted, affects my outcome. So whose nutrients are we nourishing ourselves with? What books are we reading? Who's the author of them? What am I learning? What am I teaching? What am I growing? Thank you for your guidance and assistance, Dr. Ali Muhammad, Dr. Inky, KT, the Arch degree, for helping, guiding, directing us forward, continuing to build with us, to teach us. Arm, leg, leg, arm, supreme head, the foundation, the essence, the manifestation and knowledge, our way of expressing, being born into existence, to have a clear mental picture, equipped with insight and eyesight, a composite of principles and values that govern us, which are sacred, using force and influence so that all have access to truth, to power. True knowledge to show our children the best interest of the whole group. We are the conduits of this God, of this creation, of this growth, to add on to this life, to take what is untrue and shed light to it, to bring into existence life. Peace, family.